Hey, welcome, and let's see why it's a good idea to create AI faceless videos. So a lot of people, it's going to say to you that it's not a really good idea, that they are not really personalized, that a lot of people are doing that they are really easy to do. And if we do a quick search on YouTube, we are going to see a lot of people telling us how we can try faceless YouTube automation, how we can do these AI faceless videos and everything. So we can see a lot of content, and a lot of this content is going to be bullshit. But how we can create good videos that are not bullshit, that are not the typical videos that everyone is going to do, that are not going to get any traffic and anything. So to create these AI faceless videos, first of everything, I'm going to search for a good YouTube channel that creates these faceless videos. So for example, this one, Magnates Media, is doing a lot of money creating these faceless YouTube videos, and we can see a lot of things that are a bit different to the rest of the channels. So for example, the thumbnails are quite good, the title is quite good, and if we watch the full video, we will see that they are not the typical faceless video, because there are a lot of things that are changing that we are going to see a little bit in the future in this video. So if I go to this website, that it's viewstats.com, is a platform from MrBeast where we can search for YouTube channels, and it's going to say us the views, the subscribers, a lot of data, and the estimated revenue that this channel is doing it. So for example, just in ads, without any affiliates, without any promotion or collaboration with other brands or anything, this channel is just doing between 10K and 30K each month. And their videos are just faceless videos. So why is a good idea to create AI faceless video? Because if we create a video, it has to be quite unique. It doesn't have to be like the rest of the videos that we see or that we saw in YouTube or anything. We have to think how we can create this video to be different, to be not like the rest of the videos that we see in every YouTube search we do. If we start to scroll also in TikTok or in Reels and everything, then we can see that this video, this are completely the same, and we are not going to get over 200 views, or we are not going to get over 0 views sometimes, or sometimes we just get stuck at 10 views. So how we can do to create a better video? So we have to focus on 3 things. To create unique videos that are not like the rest of the videos, that are not like easy to do, we need to focus first on the hook. So this is the first sentence of our video. This is the first thing we are going to tell about the video. And it has to cause some intrigue, or it has to cause some emotion into the person that is just scrolling or is just starting to see to watch the video. So for me, my recommendation, it would be to start, like, for example, with a question. So we're gonna start with a question, saying something about what the user desires to do. So for example, if we are doing a video about the World War II, then we can start with a question saying, did you know that Germany did this? Or did you know what Germany was doing different to the rest? Something that starts with a simple question that the user can relate to. Then we need a second part, that is the problem. So for example, if we are watching a Disney movie, normally we have the first scenes of the movie, and then after these first scenes, something happens. There is a problem that the main character is facing. So we need to show which is the main problem that our character or our story is having. And then we start the full process telling how this problem is going to be solved, and this problem also it's related to the main hook, the main question that we had at the beginning. So if we take these 3 steps every time, our videos are going to be unique. So to have videos that perform well and are not like easy like the rest of the people, like everyone is doing, we need to make it more complex, a bit more thought. And to do it more thought, we need to change basically the script. So if we change the script, then we can create better videos that are not replicable from the others. Someone else then could copy our video, our structure and everything, but if we have been one of the first ones to start this concept of videos, this way of doing it, then we are going to be better than the rest. So we need a good script, and once we have a good script, we need better content, better media. So we need better images that can be done also with AI. So we could automate all of this with AI, but we need to think that our video shouldn't be something super easy to do. So we have to put a little bit of thinking into it. So if we improve the script and then we improve all the media that we add to the video, then our video can perform super well, and we can do videos like Magnetes Media does or any other faceless YouTube channel that it's performing well. And how we can automate and do all of this? We can use a tool like Videotok. So Videotok is this software that lets you create faceless videos, but they can be completely different, unique, and provide this value to the users that other softwares maybe are not going to provide. So how we can use this channel, or we can create here, create video, then we can do our sign in or create our account. For example, I'm going to enter with my account, and here we will go inside the dashboard, and here inside the dashboard we can start creating our videos. So for example, if we are going to create videos about the World War II, then we could go to YouTube or to Perplexity and ask for something curious, because it is, once we have a curiosity or we have like some investigation, some research that we are doing into the topic, then we can go back to Videotok and ask, okay, let's create a video about this. So for example, I'm going to use this first curiosity. So this is something that the Germans developed, this V3 canon. So I'm going inside Videotok and I'm going to say, okay, let's create a script, TikTok about this. Okay, I'm going to give the instruction to the video. Then I can select the format if I want a vertical or horizontal video. In this case, it's going to be a vertical video because I said that I want a TikTok script. Then I could select if I want Google images or AI images. In this case, I'm going to go for AI images. And then here we have like different styles that we can apply. So I'm going to go for analog film. Then we can choose the language and the voice style that we want. In this case, I'm going to go for Adam. And let's create the video. And here it starts the process to improve it and don't do it like the rest of the people. So now I have a starting script. So I could accept this script if I like it or not. Or we could improve it. So if I go back to my process, I need a hook, a problem, and then the process. So I want to follow this script, this structure, and I'm going to change this first sentence. I'm going to convert it into a question in this case. So this is the story of a secret weapon that could have changed history. I'm going to do, did you know the secret weapon that could have changed history? Then it starts during World War II. The Germans developed the V3 cannon, a colossal machine capable of launching projectiles from Germany. I could start with, during World War II, the Germans had a problem that they didn't know. That's why they developed the V3 cannon. And then we can start changing also more things from the script and a lot of things. So we could iterate and improve this script a lot. If we don't want to create it right now, we could also copy it, paste it into Google Docs or whatever, start changing the script there, and then we could come back and add our option as our JavaScript, and it would be ready. But let's say we like this script now, we have put a lot of process and a lot of thought into it, and then the video is generating. Here we will need to wait 1-2 minutes, and we will have our video ready, and we can start modifying it even more. So we could automate our full process, creating unique AI videos that can really perform and work well on social media. Great. Once the video has been created, we can see this open video button. So we can click on it. And here on the right, we will see our AI generated video. So this video, it's already working. So we could modify which is the captions that we are showing, which are the images and everything. We can add the sounds and a lot of things. So we can personalize our video a little bit more. So we can choose these simple captions, minimalism captions that I really like them, for example. And they are going to tell the full story of this big tree. So once I have this video, we could say, okay, let's export it, let's download it and publish it to TikTok, YouTube and everything. But we could improve it even more. So if we go to the footage tab here, we can see all the images and everything. And we can move our images to start, for example, in another moment. Or we can add like other concepts. So for example, in this moment, we could go to the video and search for question. And then we get a lot of videos or ideas that we could have and we could add inside here. And for example, if I add some scenes, then I can go to the beginning and see that at the second 1.77, here we have this video and then it goes back to the other AI image. So we could improve it even more. Or we could click here where it says none and add some transitions. So for example, I'm going to add this wipe and this fade, and we can see at the beginning how we have this image with the transitions applied into it. And then we have our full story generated. We can export it and start publishing videos on automated in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. So we could create better videos that are not like all the AI generated content that it's being created there, where we just say, okay, let's create a video about World War II and we have 100 exact videos. So we can think a little bit better, okay, which is the process, which is the story that I'm telling, which is going to be different that the others are not doing. Because at the end, the most important thing to a video to work or not to work is just the full story that we are creating. So if we could improve this story with tools like Videotok, then we can create better content that it's going to perform. So let me know in the comments what you think and which has been your experience with AI generated content.